Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us.
Just imagine, looking up at the night sky. Our satellites are up there watching.
But what if someone else is watching them? Suddenly, an alarm flashes on screen.
The satellite's mission, its very purpose, hijacked. And nope, this isn't science fiction. This is the central mystery we're exploring. Let's investigate.
First, you have to understand the target. The payload is what the satellite does.
And the crime scene? It's that vast, exposed high ground, the space segment.
An attacker's path is chillingly simple. They find a flaw, get inside, and take the wheel.
The consequences are stark. A vital asset becomes a liability, or even worse, a weapon.
And don't think this is a future threat. The 2022 Viasat cyber attack was a real shot fired.
Military doctrine actually confirms it. Blinding an enemy by hitting their space assets is a top priority.
The deduction is clear. The threat is real. So we have to turn to the solution.
Well, our best defense is automated. An intrusion prevention system can act faster than any human.
But you know, this whole battle highlights a pretty difficult truth about our reliance on space.
We depend on these powerful tools, but their commercial nature makes them tempting, vulnerable targets. Binge on our playlists on a watch marathon to become a cybersecurity expert. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.